Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo T4x 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In this smartphone, you can easily use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using 3 fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen a feature. To do that, open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Select smart motion and then select smart screen on or off. Firstly, enable double tap to wake and then enable double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area to lock your smartphone and double tap on the locked screen to wake your screen up. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed or know how much data you have used in a single day, then you don't have to download any third party for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select notification and status bar. Select status bar and then enable this show real-time internet speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. It feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this control center, but there is a gesture for that. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. There you will see the option of swipe down on the home screen. Click on this and then select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area like this, then it will open your control center. You can do that from any empty area on the home screen. If you are a lefty and you want to change the order of these 3-button navigation, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system management. There on the top you will see the option of system navigation. Click on this. Here you can change the order of these 3 buttons. Now if you want to select gesture navigation, then select gesture navigation, and now you can go back like this. Open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you must use this smart sidebar feature. You will see a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Simply swipe to the left to open this smart sidebar. By default, there are some applications. Now if you will open any application, then it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corner like this, drag and drop it anywhere. You can keep on using your smartphone normally, and it will remain as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can also minimize it like this. Now whenever you want to reopen it, simply tap on this. If you want to close this, then click on this close button. If you want to edit this smart sidebar, then click on this little arrow and then select edit. You can remove unnecessary application from here and add your favorite application. After this, click on done. So that's how you can edit your smart sidebar in this smartphone. If you want to open any application in small window, then open that application, put it in recent and then tap on this apps icon. There you will see the option of small window. Click on this and it will open your application in floating window. By default, this phone doesn't show battery percentage in your status bar. If you want to enable this, then open your settings, select notification and status bar. Again select status bar and then click on battery style and percentage. Here you can change the battery style and you can also show your battery inside battery or outside battery icon. If you are not a fan of this app drawer and you want all your application on your home screen, then simply tap and hold on the home screen and then select home setting. There you will see the option of home screen style. Click on this and then select standard style. It will take few seconds. After that, it will bring all your application on your home screen like this. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must use the next 2 features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first feature is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black like this. So this feature will decrease the pressure on your eye. The second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen, as you can see. So this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these 2 features to protect your eyes. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch the voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. If you wanna set this as power menu, then open your settings, Select shortcut and accessibility and then select power button. Now select launch power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as voice assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. There's another way to launch your power menu. For example, if your power button is not working, then you can open your control center and there on the bottom corner you will see an icon of power. Simply click on this, then it will launch your power menu. You can fully customize your locked screen and add your name as well. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then select home screen and lock screen. Select lock screen settings and then click on edit. Here you can change the font of this clock and you can change the style as well. You can change the color of this. After this, click on this cross button. Now if you want to add your name or any code, then simply click on this and then select signature. Here you can write whatever you want and then click on OK. It will edit there. After this, click on this cross. You can also customize these quick access application. And after this, click on apply. So that's how you can fully customize your locked screen in this smartphone. You can enable this cool feature shake to turn on your flashlight. To enable that, open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, select smart motion and then enable this shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. Or even whenever you are on locked screen, simply wake your screen up and shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. This phone comes with always on display feature and really cool styles as well. To enable that, open your settings and then select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Select always on display. Firstly, enable always on display and then select AOD styles. Here you have really cool looking styles. You can select it from here. You can also further customize this. You can change the color or select different styles. After this, click on apply. And now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific AOD style. You can customize almost all the animations in this smartphone. To do that, open your settings and then select dynamic effects. Here you can change screen on or off animation. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. You can change the USB insertion animation. You can change the charging animation. You can change the face recognition animation. You can change the home screen entering animation after unlock or home screen transition animation. Now there's a feature of ambient light effect. This feature is for music, for incoming calls or for notification. Firstly, enable on screen display. Now you can also schedule this and let me show you how it really works. For example, if someone will call you, then it will show the edge lighting like this. You can also further customize this. You have different options. Choose your favorite one and then click on apply. You can do the same for notifications. Choose your favorite style and then click on apply. So there are a lot of animations and ambient light effect in this Vivo T4x smartphone. Whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you long press it again, then it will turn it off. But you can set your favorite application for this action. Open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. Select quick action. Here by default it has selected turn on or off flashlight. You can select record open Facebook or select your favorite application. Here I'm selecting YouTube. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will open your YouTube application. This phone comes with this cool dynamic light, but if you want to further customize this, then open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, scroll down and then select dynamic light. By default it is enabled only for incoming calls. You can enable it for notifications or you can also enable it for music. You can also enable it for charging. For example, if you enable this, then it will show the dynamic light whenever your phone will be charging. You can enable it for fully charged or for low battery. So you can enable this dynamic light for different purposes in this smartphone. If If you want to change the transition effect on the home screen, then tap and hold on the home screen and then select home settings. Select sliding effects. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then come back to your home screen. Then it will change it to that specific sliding effect. If you want to hide your application or lock your application, then you don't have to download any third party for that. Simply open your settings, select security and privacy, scroll down to the bottom, and there you will see the app encryption for locking your application and app hiding for hiding your application. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in the smartphone. The first way is to scroll down by using 3 fingers like this. The second way is to use your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now if you want to click a cropped screenshot or a screenshot of a specific area, then scroll down by using 3 fingers and then hold it like this. Now you can select the area of which you want to click a screenshot. You can also change the shape of your screenshot. After this, click on the save button. So that's how you can click a different type of screenshot in this smartphone. If you want to clone the Messenger application or make the dual of any application, then open your settings, scroll down and then select apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this. Here it will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Simply select the application you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make a clone of that application. As you can see, in my smartphone, I have 2 Snapchats now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. If you use your phone with a single hand a lot, then you can use the next feature called one-handed mode. Open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of one-handed. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you want to enable one-handed mode, simply swipe like this from the corner, then it will open your one-handed mode. Now you can easily use your phone with a single hand. Whenever you want to exit it, then simply click on this cross, then it will come back to normal mode. If you want to monitor your phone usage or if you want to control it, then tap and hold on the home screen and then select widgets, scroll down and then select digital well-being. Tap and hold it and then drag and drop it on the home screen. Now this application will show you how much you have used your phone in a single day. If you will tap on this, it will show specifically which app you have used for how much time. You can also set a timer for application you used a lot like this. After 30 minutes of usage in a single day, then it will disable that application. So you can use this digital well-being widget to control and monitor your phone usage. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of Vivo T4x 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you liked the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.